Well, today was another beautiful warm day in Paris, and who wants to say they've been to Paris but never been up the Seine River? Well, not me. So today, that's exactly what I did. The Seine is a 777-kilometre long river and an important commercial waterway with the Paris Basin in the north of France. It rises at Source Seine, 30 kilometres northwest of Dijon, in northeastern France, in the Longueur Plateau, following through Paris and then into the English Channel at Le Rare. Well, Mark and Shona joined me today, or rather, did I join them? We boarded a bateau mouche, which is these small boats you see down the Seine here in Paris. And I may say, after our couple of days of working here in Paris, it was a great and a relaxing way to see all the sights along the river here in Paris. The city of Paris has notable examples of architecture of every period, from the Middle Ages to the 21st century. It was the birthplace of the Gothic style and has important monuments of the French Renaissance, Classical Revival, the flamboyant style of the reign of Napoleon III, and the ever so popular European Art Nouveau style. The 1900s added Paris landmarks including the Eiffel Tower and the Grand Palais. In the 20th century, the Art Deco style of architecture first appeared in Paris, and Paris architects also influenced the postmodern architecture of the second half of that century. So, our little tour of the Seine River has nearly come to an end, and if you're ever in Paris and you're wanting to see the great monuments that we've just passed, I'd recommend that you do it this way. It's easy, it's quite cheap, and it's very relaxing. And I must say, in this big city of Paris, it's amazing just who you might bump into.
Hi, my name is Dex Nightingale. I meet all my friends from Australia, New Zealand, and he paid 66 euros more than he should have. Because his friends fucked off.
getting cold in Paris? Oh, settle down. Complain because it's hot. You complain because it's cold.
Oh, those Aussies. Now it's whinging Aussies. And now it's cold.
Do you like Paris?
I love Paris.
Ooh.
I love Paris in autumn. Thanks.
Do you like Paris?
I drank 13 stubby
Paris?
Andrew.
You like Paris?
Oh, you know, it's not a bad place, I suppose.
Just a hotel.
Oh, okay, it's pretty good. Oh, it's better than that. It's fabulous. Oh, okay, it's brilliant.
Oh, on the way back.
I think we have some millennials in the crowd. Look at the phone. It's not far away, ever. But we're all just having a little bit of a break.
Welcome
Get a
to
few photos.
Paris.
And we'll move along.
Welcome to
Hi.
Paris.
Hi. Hi.
Bonjour.
Sends a chill down my spine.
That's because it's cold.
We are walking.
And even though the bells may ring from the church across the road, which is 1,000,000 miles away from home, some of us, well, still have to bring a little bit of home to Paris.
feel like I'm in prison. Good on, mate.
Hang on.
I don't know why you bought this thing.